In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a bank deposit using undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. When you receive several customer payments during the day, you usually don't take each one to the bank individually. Instead, the bank sees one combined deposit. QuickBooks Online uses an account called Undeposited Funds to help you group those individual payments so they match that single deposit on your bank statement. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to record that deposit so your books and your bank match perfectly. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account and going to the main dashboard. At the top left, look for the New button. Click that, and from the menu that opens, choose Bank Deposit. This is the form you'll use anytime you take money from undeposited funds and move it into a real bank account in QuickBooks. At the top of the bank deposit screen, you'll see a field labeled Account. Open that drop-down and select the specific bank account where you actually took the money in real life. This could be your checking account or another deposit account. Make sure it matches the account that appears on your bank statement, because this is what you'll be reconciling later. Next, look at the section that lists payments. QuickBooks will show all the customer payments that are currently sitting in undeposited funds. These might come from invoices you marked as paid or sales receipts you recorded. Go down the list and check the box next to each payment that is included in the deposit you're taking to the bank. The key is that the total of these checked items should match the exact amount on your physical deposit slip. If you're also depositing extra cash or funds that didn't come from customer payments, such as a rebate or owner contribution, you can add those in the area usually labeled additional or extra money. Here, you'll choose the appropriate income or equity account, enter a description if needed, and type in the amount. This lets you include everything that went to the bank in one clean deposit. Before you finish, double-check the total at the bottom of the form. It should match the amount on your bank deposit slip or your confirmation from the bank. Once everything looks accurate, click Save and Close. This step moves the money out of the undeposited funds holding account and into the bank account you selected, keeping your records aligned with what the bank shows.